Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick Gaska and welcome back to I Can Do That DIY for another doll repaint video. Today I'm going to be customizing Honey, the doll that I designed and created myself. This video is going to be a modified version of my typical videos, and we're just going to focus on the face. More specifically, the Honey face. If you're not familiar with the original Honey face, let's refresh your memory. Here's Honey. There's some things about Honey that I don't really like, and we're going to be changing them today. I've repainted Honey's face several times, so this is just my own opinion from my own personal experience. To start off, I think her nose is super tiny, so we're going to be changing that. And I'm not really a fan of the eyelid shape, so we're also going to be changing that as well. Overall, the new face is going to have a really sweet expression. Alright, let's see the new face. This is Honey 2.0. I really like the Honey 2.0 face. I think it's really cute. As you can see, the nose is larger, the lip is a different shape, and the eyes are a different shape. I also changed the shape of the ear. Alright, now let's go ahead and compare them side by side. Yeah, I think I prefer the new Honey face. Which one do you prefer? Alright, now I'll 3D print the face and then prep it with a layer of Mr. Super Clear. Then I can start the painting. But before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest projects. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram accounts. The Honey Doll Instagram will have any updates or any special news for Honey. Also, if you haven't been to the website, make sure to check it out. www.thehoneydoll.com. There are a bunch of different options for Honey on the website for you to explore. Buy stock Honey or customize your very own. The shop also has a new update. Starting now, I'll be selling some of my older dolls to make some room on my shelves for some new dolls. Alright, now let's get to the project. So here's how Honey 2.0 turned out. Oh my god, I love the new face so much. She's so adorable. Now let's start working on the face. I'll use a light brown watercolor pencil to lay out the eye. I'll do one side and then the other side off screen. Alright, cool. Now that I've done both of the eyes, I'll start blushing the face with some pastels. I'll start with the light pink pastel that's actually called Permanent Red Tint by Pan Pastel. Next, using a light pink watercolor pencil, I'll color in the waterline. Once I'm done coloring the waterlines, I'll seal my work so far with a layer of Mr. Super Clear. On the next layer, I'll use a black watercolor pencil to fill in the eyeliner. After I do one eye, I'll do the other eye off screen. Then I'll give her some freckles with a light brown acrylic paint. Alright, I think that's pretty good for the freckles. Now that the paint's all dry, I'll continue to add some blush to the face with some pink pastels. I'll continue to use the light pink pastel as well as use a darker rose one. Next, using a white watercolor pencil, I'll add some highlight to the face. After that, I'll use my black watercolor pencil to draw on the eyelashes. Okay, cool, now let's work on the brows. Using a dark brown pastel, I'll brush on the brows. Then I'll use my eraser to refine the shape. Once I'm happy with the brow shape, I'll seal the pastels with a layer of Mr. Super Clear. After that, I'll use a brown watercolor pencil to draw some hairs for the eyebrows. After that, using a watered down black acrylic paint, I'll fill in the eyeliner shape. This makes it nice and opaque. After I do one side, I'll do the other side off screen. Then I'll add some shadow to the face with a black pastel. I'll finish the face-up portion with a red pastel. Then I'll seal my work so far with a layer of Mr. Super Clear. These are some faux eyelashes that a friend gave me. I have no idea what brand they are, but we're just going to measure them and cut them to length. Next, I'll use some quick dry tacky glue and apply it to the eye and to the eyelash. Then I'll stick on the eyelash. Once those are all dry, we can add some gloss to the face. I'll use a UV top coat to gloss the waterline and the lip. I'll cure the top coat with some UV light. For the eyes, I'll be using a pair of brown eyes that I've made previously. I'll be installing them into the face with some poster putty. I'll put a little ball on the top and the bottom and jam it into the eye socket. I'll do one eye and then the other eye. Off screen, I add some magnets to the head and to the head cap. And with that, the face is complete. So here she is, here's the finished result. Oh my god, I love Honey 2.0 so much, she's so adorable. I'm really happy with how the new face turned out. In my opinion, it's a lot better than the original. I'm super excited to use the new face in more projects in the future. So what do you think of Honey's new face? Let me know in the comments below. Don't worry, the old face isn't going anywhere. The original Honey and Honey 2.0 are now available on the website, www.thehoneydoll.com, in customizable options as well as this head in particular. If you'd like to purchase this head, make sure to head over there right now and get it while it lasts. If you like videos like this, or if you like the idea of just purchasing the fully made up heads like this, let me know in the comments below. I can do more in the future if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching. For the rest of the video, enjoy the remainder of the photos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!